Hello friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about one sector in which I am betting heavily, which is called electric vehicle. The first factor to consider is growth potential. The current energy sources are wreaking havoc on the environment, so large corporates are already looking for alternatives. As a result, EV will benefit from this. Support from the government. Steady consumer shift from traditional vehicle to EV. This is the question that comes to me right now. For the EV stocks, there are three significant buckets. Stocks of companies selling 4- and 2-wheeler vehicle. Check out this list of a few good stocks. Stocks of manufacturers of critical automobile equipment like car batteries. Do track this company and buy it on dips. Stocks of companies involved in building infrastructure around EV, like battery charging, etc. Check out few of them. Thank you. Do press like and subscribe the channel.